So in the last video, for the first activity of 3.1, we actually talked about, or 3.3, sorry, we talked about liters and milliliters, okay? So if we're looking here, we want to estimate, and estimate means an educated guess. So we want to estimate of these containers, which one would be more or less than a liter. So I want you to look at this, and I want you to talk with your partner about what you think would be less, which one would be more, and which one would be right around. Okay, so you can pause. Well, here, if I had container A, it's a cup. A cup. And I would say it's less, because I know if I have a small cup, it's smaller than like one of those big bottles of soda, and it would be less. Okay. And then B, it actually kind of looks like that bottle of soda that I would get. It wouldn't be a full 2 liter because that's obviously 2 liters. So this is we'll just put bottle. And I would say it's about 1 liter. And that is true. Okay, so it's 1 liter. Now, if I know B is 1 liter, and this is smaller, so what is this bucket going to be? So the bucket, I would guess, obviously, since it's bigger than what is the 1 liter, is going to be more. And I would be right. So it is more. Okay. And so if we're looking at different containers. So if I had a large cooler, say I was going camping, is it going to hold 20 milliliters? Do you think I could fill it up with baby spoons? Probably not. It would probably hold 20 liters. Just think about how much you can put in there. Sometimes you can put a few 2-liter bottles in there to keep them cold for your picnic or camping. A water bottle. Like I said, my water bottle, my big one, my Camelback, holds 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter, and so it's going to hold 400 milliliters. So if you're thinking of like the small plastic ones, if it held 400 liters, I mean, I can't even imagine. That would be 200 2-liter bottles. Do you think you could drink that much in a day? And that would be one gigantic water bottle. Same with a juice box. 250 liters, big juice box. So it's going to be milliliters. A bathtub, however, you've got to fit your body into it. So is it going to be small? No, it's going to be bigger. So think of the larger one, which is just liters, so 40 liters. Sunscreen, are you going to want to carry around something that is 215 liters? And if you also look at what we just had done, if the bathtub only holds 40 liters, think about how big this sunscreen bottle would be. Okay, so we would actually have milliliters. And a fish tank is about 20 liters, and that's a large fish tank. And so that would be like one of the really big showpiece ones. Okay, so here are a couple of examples of that. And so if you, here's just a question, so think about it. Bate knows it's important to drink a lot of water to keep healthy. He keeps track of his daily water intake. He wrote that he drank 4 milliliters of water during the day. Do you think he's correct? Well, let's think about what a milliliter is. And if a milliliter is really tiny, 4 milliliters, and he knows to drink a lot of water, if my Camelback holds 1,000 milliliters, and I normally have like 2 to 3 of them a day, is 4 milliliters correct? Probably not. He probably meant 4 liters. So he would be drinking the larger amounts. Okay. Now that's still a lot of water, but you are supposed to drink a good amount to keep yourself healthy. Okay. So now that you have finished this, you're going to go on and you are going to work on page 167 in your SAB book, but you're only going to do problems 1 through 6. Okay.